A Turlock man plans to sue the Stanislaus County Sheriff's Office for excessive force. It comes after a confrontation at the county fair over the summer.
KCRA3's Michelle Bandora is live in our newsroom with what he says happened. Michelle?
Well, the lawyers for 22-year-old Ronaldo Hernandez call this an unprovoked attack that should not have happened. They say Stanislaus County Sheriff's deputies, quote, violently assaulted Hernandez while at the county fair with family and friends. Now, a warning, a witness recorded the event, and the video may be difficult for some of you to watch. Of the arrest when they say a witness recorded and gave it to the family. This happened in July at the county fair. It shows Hernandez hanging onto the vest of one deputy while being punched and taken to the ground by another deputy, and 5 others surround them, keeping onlookers away. In all, 7 deputies were on scene. The family filed a government claim against the county for personal injuries and a request to save the video from the body-worn cameras. The documents say Hernandez didn't threaten anyone or act violently in any way or create a public disturbance. It says the deputies handcuffed, arrested, and detained him in a cell overnight, then released him the next day, saying they arrested him on charges of public intoxication and resisting arrest. Hernandez, who just graduated from Cal State Stanislaus, says he doesn't drink and wasn't drinking that night.
What happened to me was more than just excessive force. It was an assault on my dignity, my sense of safety, and my trust in the system that's supposed to protect us. Since that day, I've lived with constant pain, both visible and invisible. I wake up every day reminded of what happened.
I think anyone in the policing industry, people who are prior law enforcement, can look at this video and say, this is not acceptable behavior from law enforcement, and there have to be consequences.
Hernandez says when he showed up for court in September, they told him he wasn't being charged due to lack of evidence, and the attorneys did provide us with that document. So the county has 45 days to respond to the filed court claim, and then they say they plan to file a lawsuit asking for damages. We did reach out to the sheriff's office, and a spokesperson tells me the office was aware of the incident and claim, but does not comment on pending litigation or personnel matters. Reporting live in the newsroom, Michelle Bandora, KCRA3 News.
So, Michelle, we know that he talked about some of the issues that he's had since then. Was he physically injured during this?
Yeah, he says that from this incident, he now has a left shoulder injury as well as brain injury, suffering from short-term memory loss and depression. His lawyers say he lost the job he was about to start in the Turlock School District because he couldn't pass the physical exam. Now, they hope physical therapy will help improve his shoulder so he can work.
All right, Michelle, thank you so much.